I don't want to hear it right now.
He still got that fucking octopus. Oh, these people survived this time.
We gotta talk.
Jesus Christ, not right now. There's a psycho back there. Fuck. Get your fucking hands off me. You hurt a lot of people. You hurt my brother. Not gonna get away. Not this time.
Oh shit. What? You can still run? I thought you could've run no more. Oh my god. Oh, can I even show that shit on screen? Wait, bro. I'm so confused, bro. So you could run like that the whole time, but if he did, that shit was gonna kill him? I forgot, bro. That shit was back in what season? He was like 2? That's the end. Ain't no way. That's the fucking end for 8 Dream, bro. Don't tell me he died for real.
Help me.
He's about to get fucking stepped on. I already know this shit.
Someone please help.
I fucking knew it. Oh shit, Homelander.